Hey guys, welcome to Trade Talk. Let's discuss about the recent crypto happenings in the crypto ecosystem. So this first news, the British prominent bank Barclays has barred its users from using any of the Binance's services due to Binance not being complying with the international regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies. Let's see what the future entails. Mind you, the Chinese photo editing app has reported losses of $17.3 million on its Bitcoin holdings, whilst its Ethereum holdings have grown to $14.3 million despite the recent crypto market bear trend. Ethereum-based DeFi aggregator protocol Zerion has raised $8.2 million in a Series A funding round. Now, this non-custodial platform provides access to more than 60 Ethereum-based protocols including Aave, Yearn Finance and Curve, with having processed more than $600 million worth of volume in 2021 alone. Argentine lawmaker introduces a new bill for the workers to be paid in crypto, and this bill shall help the Argentinians involved in the foreign trade avoid heavy taxes from the foreign currency payments.